I wanna be a billionaire so very bad.
Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine,
Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
or every time I close my eyes,
I see my name in shining lights.
yeah.
A different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
I'll be playing basketball with the president, dunking on his delegates. Then I'll compliment him on his political etiquette. Toss a couple milli in the air just for the heck of it, but keep the 520 since the biz completely separate. And yeah, I'll be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I'll probably take whatever's left and just split it up, so everybody that I love can have a couple bucks. And not a single tummy around me would know where hungry was, eating good, sleeping soundly. I know we all have a similar dream. Go in your pocket, pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing. Every time I close my eyes, what you see, what you see?
I see my name in shining lights.
Sing it.
Oh yeah, yeah. A different city every night. I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
For when I'm a billionaire. Sing it.
I wanna be a billionaire so very bad.
So bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Buy everything.